girl, that's Tamani, but it's Tamani. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it's been a while, but guess what? Let's just get into it. We don't have to go back and just, reminisce about whatever the fuck happened in the past. We're gonna talk about the future and the now. So your girl is getting ready to I'm gonna try to attempt to revamp my wig. Listen, I never installed the wig a day in my life. I I just never did. But we're gonna try today. Hopefully it comes out nice. I'm gonna try to bleach the knots and all that good stuff. Like, just so you know, this wig was worn already. I'm just gonna try to reinstall it. I think I said that already, but I don't know. But hopefully it comes out nice, and yeah, I hope I don't look crazy. Honestly, I really hope I don't look crazy. Because if I look crazy, I'm gonna just take it off, and then my hair just not gonna be done until I'm ready to do my hair again. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. I want you guys to do 3 things, and those 3 things is: 1, subscribe to my channel because support is free. 2, like this video just cause I'm a vibe. And 3, comment down below because I want you guys to be interactive with me. Talk to your girl. Now, yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, I'm back. Right now I'm looking real crazy, but we're gonna get together after. When she's installed, the lashes are gonna come on, outfit's gonna be on, everything. Okay, so boom, this is the wig. This is I don't even know, but because this has been a minute, but I know it's 26 inches. She's 26 inches long to the length, and she's curly, and I believe she's a deep wave, not a loose wave. I think she's a deep wave, a deep curl. So we're gonna and it was a T-part wig. It was a T-part wig. See, this is what the lace is looking like. It was already on my head. She didn't bleach the knots for me, so I'm gonna try to do that now. I don't even know how long I'm supposed to leave that on there, but I know I'm supposed to, like, not for too long, right? So it won't brown the inside of my hair, like the roots. But I'm gonna try to attempt to bleach the knots a little bit. Hopefully it bleaches. If it doesn't, then we're gonna try to use makeup. But this is gonna be the first process. So I'm just taking this little makeup brush that I got, because I don't have one of those I don't have what's that called? That brush that they use for bleaching. If that makes sense. I don't have that, so I'm improvising. I don't know if I'm even doing this right. I know I need to place an even amount, right? So, and I'm not trying to press too hard.
Yeah, I'm not trying to press hard at all, actually. I'm literally just trying to brush it on. I really never did this before. Yo, this is stink. I'm hoping I don't mess it up. Because this is a really nice wig, guys. I'm gonna just try. So, bitch, I don't really care for the side of this thing, but this stink bad, like. I'm probably gonna speed through this. So, I'm gonna make sure I get the front of this hair. Right there. Let's get right. I'm probably like, what the fuck can I do? I really don't know. I'm not a hairstylist, but I need my hair done, so. Or I want my hair done, I should say. Oh, look, I think it's pulling up the makeup that was on there, because it's kind of brightening. So. Let's hope. I don't know. I hope it bleaches even though I got this makeup on there.
Part of the wig. I'm gonna leave this on there for, like, I don't know, 3 more minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, boom, my scarf is off now, so we're gonna go ahead and start the bald stage. Bald cap stage, you need a wig cap. I saw people using different stuff, Gold Bond, liquid nitrogen, whatever they said. Liquid nitrogen, got it. Some liquid, ghost liquid something on their head, some other stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna use Gots to Be. So I be seeing people take the Gots to Be gel and putting it all over their head and pushing it big. So that's what we're gonna do. I should have got me a mirror. I'm about to go get me a mirror so I can see what the hell I'm doing. There's nothing in here. I didn't even use this. Like, oh, I'm about to say, I barely use this. I used this in Miami one time. Let me just rub it against my fingers. Push the edges back.
So basic cup. No, baby. No. Alright, brush this back. Brush. No, mama. Brush. Okay, hopefully it's not.
And I think after that, you put on your stocking cap. Is it this way or the other way? I think it's this way. So I'm gonna put my braids in the cap. I remember the girl that did my hair. She did this. She put it over my eyebrow, and we gonna smooth this baby back. Smooth this baby back. Good thing I already got a part in my head. I feel stupid as hell. Yo, this is what y'all be looking like when y'all be doing this. I'm gonna put some more for extra protection, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. I feel so crazy right now. It just is gonna be. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my flat iron, my blow dry and blow it. Let it dry. Ooh. Alright, it's tacky now. I should have got me a ding mirror. Ooh, this is cold. I like Momo. My dog is on me. I hope I'm not OT. Now I got my scissors and I got the mirror that I said I was gonna get but never did. I'm doing this the correct way. So now I'm gonna cut. Ooh, now I'm cutting the lace, guys. I really hope I'm doing this right. I see people using a razor. I have one of those too. I should probably get that, right? 2 seconds. I got the razor this time. This razor was never used for nothing. I was using this razor was meant to do this. So it was meant to, what you call it? Yeah, I think I have to lift this up a little bit because it's all on your girl forehead. Okay. Boom. Now I look real stupid. Alright, so I know I might have to redo this part because it's already lifted right here and I see my hair. So we're gonna just I almost cut myself. Boom. That's off.
like it helped melt the cap. They said that this gives it like the melted look or whatever. I hope this still don't got bleach on it because your girl could be dyeing her damn edges right now. Yo, dyeing my edges is... So, let's put her on. Okay, I got the strap. And I'm pulling my wig back. And I'm putting it underneath, clasping it. Oh, your girl looking crazy. Okay. Wig is on. I look crazy. Alright, so where's that clip I have? So we can see what the heck we doing. Alright. Alright, so we looking crazy. But that's alright. Alright, let me just measure this to make sure. This will be like that, this will be like that, like that. Oh, hold on, I might be on to something. Y'all, this is my first time, for real, guys, this is my first time ever doing this, like, ever in my life. This is crazy. I know I'm gonna have to clean, and then it's just on my sides of my hair. Okay, let me see, that's fine. I think I want to do it in sections, right, but I think I should do the front first, so I could. Alright, so that's what we want to try to do the front first. Alright, hold on. I don't want it to be stuck on my head yet. I don't want it to be stuck on my head yet, girl. Alright. Ah! Let's do this again. I'm going to just do this part first. Oh, it's tricky. Kind of lifting in the front, so I don't want to fall on my face again. She looking a mess on this side, but I think we can fix her up. And this goes down like that. Because there ain't no other option. So we're going to try that freeze spray trick again. So I can melt this part of my head. So what we're about to do is go get some alcohol and clean all this up. So I'll be back when I'm